Here's what the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U powered Acer Aspire 7 gaming laptop has to offer. When it comes to gaming laptops, gaming performance takes center stage, which is why it's vital that you get a laptop that offers the best possible performance you need. But if you have a tight budget, then finding the right laptop becomes even harder. But not if you know where to look. Say hello to the Acer Aspire 7 gaming laptop that is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5000 series processor. This laptop might just be the perfect gaming laptop for you. Acer's Aspire series has been a mainstay for the brand for many years now. The series tends to focus on offering users bang for the buck devices. With the new AMD 5000 series processor, the Aspire 7 gaming laptop aims to offer excellent value. In fact, this is the first laptop in India to be powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor. The 5000 series is AMD's newest generation of Ryzen processors, which comes with a number of very impressive features that lead to improved performance across the board. For starters, the Ryzen 5 5500U processor in the Acer Aspire 7 Gaming is a 6-core 12-thread processor with a base clock speed of 2.1 GHz. AMD's Ryzen 5000 series processors are manufactured using the 7nm FinFET process. In order to squeeze out more performance out of the same manufacturing process, AMD has unified the L3 cache, which allows the company to get a higher IPC from the cores, ensuring that the CPU isn't a bottleneck for you. Of course, when talking about the performance of a gaming laptop, you have to talk about the GPU. Inside this Acer Aspire 7 gaming laptop is an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 GPU with 4GB of VRAM. These two combined can offer pretty impressive levels of performance when it comes to gaming, especially if you're into playing esports titles like Dota, League of Legends, or even Counter-Strike. In fact, if you're into multiplayer, these multiplayer games may not be graphically intensive, but they do require a good processor. Thankfully, the hexa-core AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor should be up to the task. In fact, the laptop should be powerful enough to run many AAA titles like Grand Theft Auto 5, Wolfenstein, and Doom. The Acer Aspire 7 gaming laptop also vents to the side and rear, directing air away from your important components and keeping things cool. Another key feature of this Acer Aspire 7 gaming laptop is its 512GB PCIe Gen3 NvMe SSD. This allows for insanely fast load times when playing games. Who wouldn't want that? Of course, all this gaming prowess will be wasted if the display isn't any good. Thankfully, the Acer Aspire 7 gaming laptop packs a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. This should offer crisp visuals on the relatively small screen while also offering good viewing angles. As if that wasn't enough, the Acer Aspire 7 gaming laptop also offers a good battery life. The company claims that the device offers up to 10 hours of use on their video playback test. This is in no small part thanks to the efficiency offered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U. In fact, AMD claims that the new 5000 series of Ryzen processors offer up to 2 more hours of battery life than the last generation of processors. This was a quick look at the new AMD Ryzen 5 5500U powered Acer Aspire 7 gaming laptop. The feature set of the laptop makes it a compelling option in the entry-level gaming segment.